The verbal sparring continues between Brussels and Apple over the €13 billion tax bill the European Commission's ruled it must pay to the Irish government. Apple's chief executive Tim Cook disputes the tax figures presented by the European Competition Commissioner and says it pays a global tax rate of just over 26%. He told Irish Radio,
"It's maddening, it's disappointing, it's clear that this comes from a political place. It has no basis in fact or in law. It is very easy to see what our tax rate is and our tax payments. We disclose them publicly worldwide. Anybody can look at those."
But the European Competition Commissioner rejects Cook's argument, saying the demand is based on facts, including evidence given to US congressional hearings into Apple's tax affairs.
Well, the figures that we use in our decision are the figures that we get from Apple themselves, and some of the figures back from 2011 come from the US hearings. There are very, very little, if any, figures in the public domain. And our investigation is not in the Apple Corporation as such. It is Apple Sales International and Apple Operation Europe.
She says those two Apple subsidiaries received favourable tax treatment and pretended its profits from countries around the world were generated in Ireland, thence the huge tax bill.